If you love Trinidad baigan choka and tomato choka, you will love Murtani. Murtani is a mashup or a spicy choka, as we call it, of roasted veggies, perfect as a side dish to curries, including curry duck, main dish with roti, or a condiment. If you're interested, let's start roasting. The ratio of ingredients used will be based on availability and your personal preference. I'm using 2 eggplants, 4 tomatoes, 2 hot pepper, increase it if you love it very spicy, 2 heads of garlic, and 8 okra. Rinse the veggies and then place it over an open flame or under the broiler. I love roasting it on my old outdoor stove to save on cleanup indoors. A rack over the grate will be helpful to prevent it from falling through. Roast over high flame until it's charred on all sides, turning as required. Roasting not only eliminates the rawness, but it will also give it a lovely smoky flavor. Once they're all nice and charred and roasted, we will carefully peel off the skin of the eggplant, the tomatoes, onion if you're using, and the garlic. Then we'll place all the roasted ingredients in a bowl or in the mortar and pestle if you have one large enough, and we'll mash until smooth yet slightly chunky. You'll season the mashed vegetables with salt according to your taste. Then we'll chunke. Heat oil in a small frying pan until hot. I added a little bit of onion here. You can add extra garlic and hot pepper if you wish. And then you'll pour the oil over the mashed veggies and mix well in a whisking motion to combine. In Trinidad, there's no river lime that's cooking at the side or the banks of a river. There is no river lime without some Murtani, also known as Upar Gaar or pepper choka. This spicy choka opens up the appetite and it's a perfect side. Check out my other video on the 5 Trini chokas that I made: baigan choka, tomato choka, aloo choka, Edo's choka, and avocado choka. Link to the full recipe in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share, and love. Bye-bye.